I was 25 and I kept changing my mind about schooling. Man, this is gonna get expensive if I keep changing which path I wanna go on. I have a few friends that were in the Guard and they're like, oh, they'll pay for your schooling. I had a house I had to think about, but I was really hesitant because my sister has cancer and she was going through a lot of different treatments. And I don't wanna be away from her. But when I told my friends and family that I joined the Guard, they still didn't really understand that I would still be home. There's a station here and still gonna have all those life events with them. So that changed my mind. Looking into the non-destructive inspection, it was really similar to what I did for my civilian job. We're trying to make sure we can detect an issue before it becomes catastrophic to the aircraft, to find those defects you can't see with the naked eye. That's what I was doing in the civilian side with people. So every day we will take certain parts off the aircraft and bring them to our shop, do x-rays, come out, do a crack check with the eddy current, always looking for any kind of defects. I remember the first crack I found, I was so excited. I just felt really accomplished. It was a small part of a bigger picture, helping the team out and the mission be safer and possibly save lives. I feel really lucky. We do a lot of cool things, so many great experience and benefits you can have and still be close to home, thinking about the lifestyle you want and the future you want and this place to every part. I'm Airman Wilson in the Non-Destructive Inspection Unit in the Air National Guard.